All right, so I'm going to show you what I use in my garden and farm here uh, for gardening things, fruit trees and shrubs and flowers and whatnot. I use this to maintain, propagate, all that. Okay, so basic tools. There you go, a handy little thing, little diggers, cutters, the pruning, for pruning. Really need to have a good cutter for pruning. And this grafting knife, really useful for grafting tape. So when you graft, you can tape it, those tapes. Grafting tape, grafting knife. These are very sharp thing, very useful. All right, so that is that. Tree wound. This is like you can buy things like this to heal your branches and trees. If your tree has a cut or a damage, you can put this on them. Rooting hormone, just to when you want to propagate using cuttings, branch cuttings, you can use that. You can also use honey and cinnamon if you don't have this. All right, and then a little saw to cut things out, branches and whatnot. So okay, for labels, to create labels and markers for your pots and cuttings, I use bamboo. So I just take bamboo. I have plenty of bamboo here. I split it into two half. So with a middle machete, you split that into two half. Once you split it, it becomes a very good kind of writing thing. You can write anything on it. See, I wrote things on it. You can write outside of it, or you can write the inside of it. And bamboo lasts a long time because it's made of like fibers and things. You see how you can write things on it, just like that. Okay, so what you do is first take a bamboo, you cut it with a saw like this, maybe a 1 feet long. This is like a 1 feet long slit, and then slice it into two half. Write it with your marker, permanent marker, and then you can mark your plants like this. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to mark it. All right. So these are for curry trees. Okay, that's why it says curry trees, because these are for curry trees. All right, let's see. And curry tree is very good plant for curry leaf. You can put in curry. It's very flavorful, very good for health. So this is the mother plant, and the mother plant will have baby plants coming from there. I took those baby plants from the bottom and put them into these little pots so I can propagate them, okay, into many more. So all I have to do is I come here and put it behind there, stake it in just like that. You see, now it becomes a marker for your trees, for your pots, so you know what it is. In future, when I move it around, as of now it's easy because it's all around the mother plant. That's the mother plant. I made a little community of baby plants. So that's how you do it, and that way you kind of know it, what is what, even if you move them around. So that is very good, useful thing to have. Okay, so that's how I mark mine. Bamboo is free here. I got plenty of bamboo. It doesn't take much. Just 1 feet long. You slit it in two half. You can have two marking things, and you can have as many as you want. That is it. Simple as that. Already.